Hello and greetings, everyone. My name is Peggy. On behalf of Chengray, I'd like to share a brief introduction about who we are and how we have been collaborating with Advantech. Allow me to briefly introduce our company first. Founded in 2000, we are based in Taiwan and currently have around 60 employees. With offices in Tainan, Taichung, and Hsinchu, we support clients across southern, central, and northern Taiwan. Our core business focuses on two main areas. First, we started as an authorized distributor of leading brands such as Omron, Oriental Motor, Prophase by Schneider Electric, and Epson. We offer a wide range of industrial products, including PLCs, CCD, robots, and servo motors, just to name a few. Second, we have been actively supporting our clients as a system integrator since 2019. We specialize in industrial automation solutions, providing customized services to help factories and enterprises move towards smart manufacturing and smart energy with Advantech. As a system integrator, what truly sets us apart is our expertise across three key areas. First, we provide automation hardware such as robotic arms and autonomous mobile robots to optimize factory operations. Second, we specialize in system interoperability, connecting machines and equipment across diverse interfaces and enabling seamless two-way communication between IT systems like ERP or MES and OT operations. Third, we integrate energy management into our solutions, helping clients monitor and reduce carbon emissions, which is a growing priority in recent years. Although we are based in Taiwan, our reach and our impact extend globally. The ability to bridge systems and create smart, connected factories is not only valued here in Taiwan. We apply our expertise beyond the domestic market, working with partners across the Asia-Pacific region, including Vietnam, Thailand, Japan, and India, just to name a few. Over the years, we have directly supported more than 30 clients and indirectly assisted close to 100 factories and sites through our system integration projects. Today's demonstration at our booth showcases a real example of the solutions we have implemented for our clients. We are very fortunate to have this opportunity to share a glimpse of our work. The demo is a simple factory simulation where we'll show how dashboards present real-time machine conditions, how data is collected from equipment, how workers can easily access and use the report system, and how energy management is handled through the platform. We hope this gives you a clear picture of how our system integration can help factories become smarter and more efficient. So, if you're curious, interested, or even a bit confused and want to see a live demonstration, you are more than welcome to visit our booth at the Digital Line Intelligence Zone. We look forward to seeing you there. It's time for edge computing and Wise Edge in action.